Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make a call one-on-one and even have group call up to 32 participants on WhatsApp. I'm Tech Adnan with you to show this video. First I want to say one of WhatsApp most popular feature is the free audio and video call it's offer its user. You can call your friends one-on-one or even have group call of up to 32 participants on WhatsApp. To do this, open the contact or group you wish to call. In the top right corner of the action bar, you will see video call button and audio call button. Choose which you prefer. Go WhatsApp, go WhatsApp. Then you will get like this interface, and here you will get just right corner audio call audio call. Go back, then you may call video call with a video call. As is shown on left the picture above, your camera will be on by the default and you will not be able to turn it off. However, you do have the option to reverse the camera should you wish to. With audio call, the standard WhatsApp wallpaper will be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you to make a video or audio call with WhatsApp, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. Thank you so much.